this is a no start, this pickup. So I wanted to see, do we have voltage getting down to the starter on the small wire? So normally what I would do is I'd go inside. See, I've got my meter sitting here on the hood. It's facing the inside. So for today though, I'm going to have a partner turn the key to the crank position. We're just going to stay in this spot, and we're going to look at the meter from here, especially since it's starting to rain. So what I did too is I took the right inner fender well out and tire off. This only took a couple of minutes. There's the starter right there. You see my positive lead on there. Keys in the cup holder. Right, so I want to see, is there 12 volts going to the small wire, the purple wire on the starter? Yep, good. She's in the start position. Okay, leave it. So what I want you to do is, how am I going to hold this and hit this at the same time? Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to prop up the phone, probably not in such a good spot, but what I'm going to do is we're going to use that pry bar right there and the hammer, put the pry bar against the starter, and we're going to give the starter a little tap. In fact, maybe if I put the phone right there. There we go. Okay, so can you hold it in the crank position again? Just keep on holding it there. All right, need starter.